What's up guys, this is me again, Lucas Park, and for today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to use whey protein. So first, you need a shaker, or if you don't have a shaker, you can use a glass. So next is to have this whey protein, and in this video also guys, we will add some flavor. So this is milk and additional of sugar, and the most important thing is water. Okay, we will start by opening the shaker. Next is to add a scoop of whey protein. So a scoop means here. So this is it guys, you put it inside the shaker. To add a flavor, you decide what you want guys. If you want milk, then you put a teaspoon of milk. Then if you want to be sweet, then put sugar, a teaspoon of sugar. Then put the water. So there is a measurement here, so depending on your taste, you can decide what level of water you will put here in the shaker. So you will put here, you can see, and then put the filter and close the cap, and make sure it is closed guys, and you can shake it until the powder is all mixed up. You see it if it is mixed up. Here guys, so it is ready to drink. That's all, and thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.